Good morning, students. Welcome to the maths class. Though today we have the worksheet of handling data, which we are going to do in a while, I would want us to again solve some mental math questions. Turn to page number 5 to 52, and the second part we have not done. Okay, so we will quickly try to finish this, and our practice will be good. 16 plus 0, again 52. 16 plus 0, any number added or subtracted with 0 is the number itself, 16. Dash plus 9 is 18. 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. 10 less than 5 tenths. 5 tenths मतलब 50 होता है. इससे 10 लेस करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? 4040. The number before 31 is 30. Dash plus 8 is equal to 16. 8 plus 8. 9 plus dash is equal to 18. 9 plus 9. The number after 49 is 50. Dash plus 1 is equal to 29. 28. 1 plus 26 is equal to 27. 0 plus 38 is equal to 38. So this were few of the sums that we needed to practice. We had left it, and I would really like you all to do this bit of numbers, which will be helpful for all of you. Okay, and please follow as Neha ma'am is taking it further. Then, as we have completed that, we do have to complete our worksheet for handling data, which has been given for the day. I hope you are learning your the details that I told you to do, which is practice you have practiced your tables as I had asked you to complete it. Again, we have some sums here which I would want you to do, part of mental math, page number 104, just to practice after, before and between. It does comes in your examination and will surely come for second grade. Okay, one more than the number. 42 is 43. One more than 65, 66. 81, 82. 29, 30, 59, 60, 70, 71. Number after 42 is 43, 66, 81, 82, 20, 30. After 59, 60, 70, 71. 41 plus 1, here plus 1 is given. 42 plus 1, 43. 65 plus 1, 66. 81 plus 1, 82. 29 plus 1, 30. 59 plus 1, 60. 70 plus 1, 71. Can you see different ways of asking the same number? They can ask you one more than number, the number after, and plus 1. Okay, same way they can ask you here, one less than number. 46 is 45. After 98, 97, 80, 79, less number 1. 77, 76, 35, 34, 50, 49. The number before 46 is 45. 98, 97, 80 is 79, 77 is 76, 35 is 34, 50 is 49. Minus 1, 46 minus 1, 45, here 97, 79. See, if I know my backward counting well, this is easy. 34, 49. Same thing, but they have asked for less than. These are ways of asking numbers, and we need to be prepared. Okay, let's come to the worksheet for the day. You will write your section at the top. This is handling data worksheet, and we are going to do the worksheet together. Okay, so please read it properly and follow instructions as Neha ma'am is giving you. Okay, now what does it say here? Count and write the number of objects of each kind. Stars. How many stars are there? Always cut and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many stars are there? 8. Apples. 1, 2, 3. So 3 apples. Balloons. 1. Only 1 balloon? Okay. Ice cream. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many ice creams are there? There are 5 ice cream. Then flowers. Let's count the flowers. How many flowers are showing here? Let's count the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 big flowers. And birthday caps. 1, 2, 3. 3. So this is what you have taken out the data. Which is the largest collection? Which is the largest collection? We have the largest collection of stars. Which is the smallest collection? Balloon. How many flowers are there? 4. Isn't it? How many ice creams are more than the apples in numbers? Ice cream कितनी ज़्यादा है apples से? 3 and 5, 2. TWO 2. This is how you do your data work. Now, look at the picture and answer the questions given below. Count the shapes in the picture and write the numbers. Circle. This we have even done in kindergarten. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? 5. Triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 triangle. Square. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? 4 square. Rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Now same way you have to answer here. Which shape is most in number? Which is the shape which is most in number that you can see? Which shape is most in number? So let's count it again. Circle is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ठीक है? Triangle is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have to write both the things, triangle and circle and even rectangle. Which shape is least in number? Square. Which are less, circles or square? Certainly it is square. Which are more, rectangles or triangle? Both are rectangle or triangle. Are they equal? 3, 4, 5. Actually this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Equal, you will write it here. Finish this on your own because this is still easy. You should be doing it. We had done something like this in kindergarten KG1 as well. Okay. So complete writing and I'll see you back in the next class. Till then, bye-bye.